Mary. Low. Jersey number 14. Foul. 18. Santos. First personal foul. First shot. No good. Second shot. Good. Low. Ito na, si Sotelo. The lover boy. Sotelo. Was to stick. Boy. Hey. Si Santos, dadala ng bola, ginawala. Santos for no good. Mary, iwan ni number 19. 19, pass to number 4. Pass to 77. 77 for 2. Time remaining, 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Raleta for 2. Basket count. Score. 2-3. Favor of Arsenal. Sotelo. That's beautiful move. Look. Look. Triste. Look. 10 to shoot. Five to shoot. Istanike, no good. Nakuha ni number 4. Number 4, binababa yung bola. Nakuha si number 4. Vicente, floater alert. Yes. Hello. Number 14. Ayan si number 14. Pass to number 1. Raleta. Pass to 17. 5 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Raleta for 3. No good. Ito na. 3 step. No good. Sotelo. Pass to brother Sotelo. Ayan si number 21. Low. Foul by number 17. Istanike. 5 remaining, 5 minutes and 6-3 in favor of Sol 5. Mary. 10 to shoot. Ito na, si Santos, no good. Ito na, Raleta versus Vicente. Raleta pass to number 17. Si Vicente. Ito na, si Sotelo. The lover boy. Sotelo pass to Santos. Yes. Score 8-3 in favor of Zone 5. Time remaining 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Namadora, pass to Raleta, pass to 17. What a pick. Score 5-8. Time remaining 4 minutes and 34 seconds. Vicente for 2. No good. Sotelo again. Same ball.
Foul number 77. Foul number 18.
Sotelo.
Foul number
Si
14.
Bora, tiyatakbo ang bola. Bora, gagawin Bora. Speed move. No good. Naka ni number 14. No good. Number Injury timeout. Timeout Zone 5. Score 8-5. Favor of Zone 5. Time remaining 4 minutes and 12 seconds.
Lagi.
Santos, humingi ng pick. Ito na si Santos. Pass to number 18 to 77. Yes, Patelo. Ito na, nauna si Stanike. Stanike, good back. 17. Stanike again, no good. Ito na si Obideasa, number 15. Pass to 18. What a pass by number 19. Sotelo. Score 12-7. Time remaining 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Ito si Neri. Black ball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 25 seconds. Still by Neri. Kaya takbo ni Neri ang bola. Neri. Same ball.
Na robot.
Low. Black ball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 11 seconds. 11 seconds. Stanike. Nag-iisip ng tactics. Ito na si Stanike. Stanike kontra kay Santos. Pass to number 14, Lamadora. Pass to Bora. 5 to shoot, Raleta. Stanike. For 3. Score 12-10 in favor of Zone 5. Santos kontra Stanike. 10 to shoot. Ito na si Santos. What a pass by number, no good. Ito na si Foul. Low. Foul by number 0, Bora. First personal foul by Bora. Second team foul. First try is no good. Time remaining 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Last try. No good again. Terry, no good. Ito si Sabenti. Deadlock sa 12. Last 2 minutes. Sotelo pass to Neri. No good. Lolo. 13 to shoot. Still by Bora. Pass to Raleta. Raleta again for 2. Change favor. 12-14. Time remaining 1 minute and 39 seconds. Sotelo, ito kontra kay Bora. Sotelo pass to Vicente for 2. No good. Ayan na, dalawa. Sotelo again. Sotelo pass Vicente. No good again. Vicente again. Ayun, pumasok din. All 14. Nakakaramdam na ang pagod ang dalawang kapunan. Nini! Hi! Wala si Kagawad, Mante. Hello.
Gagi.
13 to shoot.
Gagi,
Not
tibay.
applying by number 0. Pass to Sasa. Ito si Santos. Santos blocked by number Bora. 38 seconds. Is Talige for 2. No good. Pass to... Ito na si Santos. Santos. Good ba? 30 seconds. Score 16-14 in favor of Soul 5. 23 seconds. 15 to shoot. Yes, Aray Lamadora. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3. End of the first half. Black ball pala. Sorry. Hoy, Kagawad, dun ka. Mondano. Paso Lamadora for 2. Grabe ang mid-range shot ni Lamadora. Andy Gibao. Na, 15. Paso na. Mary, pass to 15. No good. Ito na. No. Nakpil. Pass to Lamadora. Miss ka. What a pass. Low. Ito na si Kagawad Mante. Number 0. Ito na. 0. No good. Followed by number 77, Sotelo. Lamadora. Ito na si Lamadora. Pass to number 2. Number 2, floater alert. No good. Raleta for 2. No good again. Ito na si Sotelo eh. So baka all 18 po. All 18. Opo. Time remaining 6 minutes and 28 seconds. Low. Raleta. Bigyan ng pick. Pass to 14. Pass to number 22. 22. Number 4. Panda kay Sotelo. Number 4. No good. Neri. Sabrep. Bola. Neri, si coach. Neri. Bigyan ng pick. Bigay kay number 15. Pass to 19. 19. Counted foul by number 19. Foul by number 0. Second personal foul. Bonus shot. (21-18) favor of Soul 5. Ito si Bora. Pass to Nakpil. No good. Mary. Naribang ni Mary. Time remaining 5 minutes and 34 seconds. Mary. Pass to Mante. Number 0. Ito na si number 0. Number 0, blocked by number 22. Save ball. Save ball. Binigay kay number 0 again. And to shoot. Larry, no good. Rebound ni Bante. Ito si number 0. Mamaya, sabi ni number 0. 10 to shoot. Larry again, no good. Dora, no good. Number 0. Bante. Tatakbo bola. Bante. Bante. What a shot by number 0. Score 23-18 in favor of Zone 5. 10 Raleta for 3. Yes, para sa Neri. Si Neri. Nag-iisip ng papasahan. Pass to number 15. Number 15, no good. 4 minutes. Lamadora pass to number 2. Number 2, meron again. 15 to shoot. Time out, Zone 5. Ito na. Ito na yung sinasabi na Bea defense by number 14. Binabantay ni 14 si number 0. Ito si Neri. Neri with the spin move. What a pass by number Blackboard. Time remaining 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Mondano, floater alert, no good. Rebound ni Mante, number 6. Low. Number 5. Nag-iisip. Pinasa ni number 0 for 3, no good. Ito na, rebound ni Nep. Floater alert. Neri. Foul. By number 0. Third personal foul by number 0. Second team foul. Score 23-21. 24. Zone 5 nga, Adi. 25-21. Time remaining 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Foul by number 77. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. To shoot. Ito na si Lamadora. Time to shoot. Mondano, floater alert. Score 23-24. Time remaining 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Pass to Mante. Pass to number 21. Ito na si number 21. Grabe, angkad. Ito na si Lamadora. Lamadora, pass to number 5. Still by 1 minute and 55 seconds. Grabe, humangtay pa sa taas. Score 29-23. Pass to Nakpil. Nakpil, no good. remaining. 1 minute and 36 seconds. Sotelo for 3. No good. Sayang si Labor Boy. Ito na. Number 5. Goodbye. By number 5. Score 29-25. Favor of Zone 5. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Pass to Sotelo. Pass to Mante. Mante. For 3. Wala. Ito na naman si Kagawad. Santos, what a play! 27-29. Yes, grabe! Take over mode si Santos. All 29. Ito na si Mante. Mante! Ang ganda ni Mante. Good. 21 seconds. Oh, hello. 21 seconds. Time remaining. 21 seconds. Bora. Nakpil. Pasto Mundano. Floater alert. No good. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 14. No good. Score 31-29. Santos. Pass to number 15. No good. Mandak. Pass number 2. Aguilar for 2. Grabe. Up shooter. Oh, 31. Ito na si Santos. Santos, veteran moves, no good. Big rebound kay Santos again. No good again. Raleta. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 22. Kickbot. 14 to shoot. Pass to number 2. No good. Ano? Number 2 again. No good. Time remaining. 6 minutes. Hello. 6 minutes and 44 seconds. Pass to number 18. Pass to 77, kontra kay number 4. Nakuha ni Kagawad. No good. Kagawad again. Bola daw, sabi ni Rep. Score, 33-20, 31. No good. Good. Kaya si Mundano. Mundano pass to number 1. Bata pass by number 22. Mante. Score. All 33. 15 to shoot. Time remaining. 5 minutes and 47 seconds. 7 to shoot. Foul.
Stop.
By number 1, Raleta. Last try. No good. Travel si Lamadora. Nakuha ni number 15. 15, foul. Number 13. Lamadora. Second team foul. Right. No good again. 15. Ito yung si Lamadora. Ito yan. Biyababa ni Lamadora kontra kay Steel by Sute. Goodbye. Score 35-23. 25-33. Subrep. Kumilang. Pass to number 0, Bora. No good. Ito ulit. Bora again. Foul. Thirteen to shoot. Offensive foul by number 4, Triste. Vicente. Ito si Vicente. 10 to shoot. Santos for 3. No good. Dibaw ni Mante, number 0. Mante. Foul by number 1. Raleta. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Warning na po ang Arsenal. Warning for penalty. 4 minutes and 23 seconds. Black ball. Number 0. A. Foul by number 19. Shooting foul. Sub Chong. First try by Bora. Score 35. All 30. 4 minutes and 16 seconds. Loverboy for 3. Yes, para sa 3 by Loverboy. Foul. Walking foul. Ay, bawal po. Triste. So good. Jump ball. Black ball. And 54 seconds.
Black boss. Ayun. Kaya po.
Same ball. 10 to shoot. No. 10 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Low. 7 to shoot. Bar. 5 to shoot. 3. Floater alert. No good. Raleta. Diba ni Neri. Raleta. Technical foul by number 19. Second personal foul. White ball. Score 38-37. Time remaining 3 minutes 36 seconds. Isa lang. Mary. Yun. Bumawi agad. 30-37. Favor of Soulful. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Lamadora. Ito na si Lamadora. Lamadora. Pastoraleta. 10 to shoot. Bora. Ito si Bora. Bora. Motor alert. No good. Ito ni Pastor 21. Good ball. 32-37. Triste. Right ball. Grabe ang defense. Time out. Arsenal. Last. Vicente, kinuha ang bola. Number 4. Diabante ni number 1, Raleta. Pass to number 19. Pass to 77. 77. No good. Rebound in. Pass to 14. Pass to 0 again. Number 0. Grabing galap yun. Score 39-42. Last 2 minutes. For 3, no good. Foul. Number 1. 2 shot. Third personal foul by number 1. 2 shot by Santos. First try. No good. Last try. Yes. 33-30. Ito na si number 1. Springfield. Ito na, number 18. Number 18. 43-39. Favor of Soap. 1 minute. No. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Ito na si Sotelo kontra kay Bora. Bora, no good. Ito na si number 0. Last. Nakpil. Floater alert. No good. Riwan ni Mondano. Pass to number 0. Number 0 for 3. No good again. 1 minute. 55 seconds. No good. Big rebound para kay Sotelo. 10 to shoot. Sotelo. Toneri. No good. Score 35-39. 36 seconds. 30 seconds. Still by number for 2 by Loverboy. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Bora. 1 second. To Bora. Ito si Bora. Bora for 2. Tapos. Rebound. Triste 2. Score 47 41. Sorry. Dante. Dahan-dahan. Ito na si Sotelo. 39-41. Favor of zone 5. To shoot. Plotter alert. No good. By number 4, Triste. Shooting foul. Two shot. Score 31-49. Ito na si Raleta. Still by number coach. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Time out
Number
na.
21, Loverboy for 3. No good. 22. Pass to number 0. Foul.
Uy!
Foul. Time out, Arsenal. Bonus shot by number 0.
Ah?
Gilo. Thirty-four, 49. Favor of zone 5. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. 10 to shoot. Number 15, no good. Santos. Rebound. Number 0, binababa ang bola. Ito na si Westby. Ayun na, Kobe mentality. John Arens. Ito na si John Arens. Pass to number 22 for 3. No good. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 18. Santos for 2. 51-44. Number 4. So si Triste. Triste. No good. Last 5 minutes. For 3. Hello for 3. 54-44.
Gagi na injury.
Injury timeout. Ken.
Gagi injury guys.
Next game. Amihan Selection versus Stress Basketball.
Hoy, Nan, sabihin mo kasi doon.
54-44, favor of Soul Fight. Hindi ka yan. Bora for 3. SB. Sotelo. Dahan-dahan lang ni Sotelo. Sotelo. 10 to shoot. Mante. What a speed by Mante. No good. Mante again. No good again. Mante again. Yes, para sa... Score, 56-47. Hit. Kaya si Lamadora. Lamadora pass to Kagawan. No good. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Santos. Foul. Number 2. Holding foul. To shoot. 5 to shoot. Santos. Santos for 2. No good. Grabe naman yung 3 minutes and 21 seconds for 3. Nakpil for 3. Score 58-50. Time to shoot. Blocked by number 0. Ito na. Sabrep. Two minutes and 54 seconds. Low. 58-50. Favor of Soul Fight. Stanike. Stanike for 2. Kapos. Stanike again. Pass to Bora. 5 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Nakpil for 3 target. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Mante, pass to Neri. Neri, no good. Rebound ni Mante. Spin move. Foul by number 17. Timeout, Soulboy. 23 seconds. Bora. Foul. Holding foul. Warning for number 0. Third personal foul. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. Lapitan mo ah. Ito si number 12. Number 12. Yes! Nasa dos. Grabe ang iyawan ng tao dito, guys. End of the game. Grabe, nagpanalo yung number 12. Score 67-52. Win Soul Fight.